Dota 2 is great, but if you're like me, then you're stuck googling for builds and guides if you want to try something different than the default suggested Valve guide, or want help on what skills to get in what order. They're useful, but when someone steals your hero, you'll end up typing faster than you ever have in the hopes of finding a guide right before the game starts. Well, those days are over. Open Dota 2 and head to the Heroes tab at the very top, and simply either find the hero you want the guide for or start typing their name to automatically highlight them so you can click on them. I'll type in Tech for Techies. Click on the hero. Once you have their page open, hit the Guides tab under the Demo Hero button, and then click through each guide until you find something that works for your playstyle and hopefully something that's updated for the newest version of the game. I'll pick one at random. Once you've clicked on it, hit the Select button right under the title. If you need to know what game version you're currently on, click the Learn tab at the very top, and in red text you'll see the current game version. I'm on 7.22F at this moment in time. Anyways, happy Dota games. Mine has been Technoba, here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.